Hello students, welcome to my class. And you all must be very much worried related to the NEET, that कि NEET कब होगा कैसे होगा. But don't worry about that one. NEET will happen maybe now or later on. So you have to keep yourself on the track and you have to continue your studies. For that only I have brought one very small course of a 500 question. We will be doing and practicing the most expected 500 question covering the whole syllabus, and there we will be developing the concept. A rapid revision will happen and an extensive practice will be there with a shortcut and tips for the examination. So I hope so you are ready for the things. So chalo, let us start the whole course. We are starting the course with the things. Okay, so before that let me say you about myself. Okay, at myself Imtiaz Imam. I'm a dual gold medalist from the Calcutta University. I have been teaching with more than 7 years and I hope my teaching experience will be helping you through this small course. Let us start the topics then. The first question. It is asking the sum total of a chemical reaction occurring into our body. This is a line exactly from the NCERT. As you know, most of the question you will be getting from the NCERT. So you know the sum total of all reaction into the body is actually known as metabolism, which include both anabolism and catabolism. So mark it. So the first answer is metabolism. Okay. Let us go with the next question, students. An important criteria for the modern day classification is. बहुत सारे students, many of the students will get confused here by marking the morphology, but remember it is not just the morphology, the anatomy plus the physiological trait, they are very much important for the modern day classification. So here the answer is B. Mark it. Answer is B here. Okay, so let us go with the next question very fast. Question number 3. Okay, the question number 3 is asking in which of the following all the listed genera belong to the same class of algae. Examples are very much important. I have already said you before, when you are doing the classification, examples are very much important. So here you will see Volvox, Spirogyra and Clydomonas. These all three belong to the green algae. So the answer is B. Answer is B here. Mark it. Answer is B. Come to the next question. Question number 4. In the class of Phaeophyceae, the plant body is usually attached to the substratum by dash. Okay, अगर तुम अच्छे से example diagram करो, which is there in this chapter, you will see the diagram is something like this one, where there is a thing which is attached to the substratum, and this particular portion which is attached to the substratum, it is actually known as hold fast. So यहाँ पे from here only you are getting the answer. Option A is eliminating. You are eliminating option B, C or D. So the answer will come here as A, where the attachment with the help of hold fast, and in between you will have a stripe and the photosynthetic leaf-like organ which is known as frond. So the answer is A. Mark it, student. The answer is A for question number 4. Coming to the next one. Question number 5. The region of the stem where leaves are born are called dash, while dash are the portion between two. Okay, so this is very easy, but here it is a play of the sentence. So चलो हम लोग एक diagram बना लेते हैं, then the thing will become easy for you. Okay, here you can see, suppose this is a stem and this is a particular point from where the leaf or suppose flower is growing. The same way this is a point from where the leaf or the flower is growing. So this particular position we will call as what? We will call as node, and the center position, the position in between these two, we will call as internode. So let us go with this. The region of the stem where the leaves are born are called node, while internode are the portion between two nodes. So the answer is B. Mark it. Answer is B. I hope so everyone is clear here. Answer is B. Let us go forward with the next question. Question number 6. Which is correctly matched? Diagram देखो, then you will get it very clearly. Here the whole are just touching each other. Here they are just touching each other, and when they are just touching each other, we call them as velvet estivation. यहाँ पे और clearly आ रहा है. You can see this one. This is a very specific and very special type of estivation. We call them as vexillary estivation. So you can check it. The answer is A. Very easy. Okay, if you do the diagram properly. Diagram based question will be there, students. Let us go with the next one very fast. Number 7. Plant cells that are photosynthetically active are found in the dash layer of the leaf and a dash shell. Okay, and a dash shell. So remember that जो students मेरा anatomy chapter किए हैं, they must be knowing this. They are known as mesophyll cell. Okay, where you will be getting the photosynthesis and they are actually parenchymatous. So the answer is B. The answer for question number 7 is B. Mark it. Okay, the answer is B for question number 7. Going forward to the next one. चलो question number 8. Which of the following statement is or are true? So here चलो देखते हैं, हर एक सेंटेंस को अच्छे से रीड करते हैं. Uneven thickening of the cell wall is the characteristic of sclerenchyma. No, it is not sclerenchyma. ये कोलेनकाइमा का है, तो ये तो हो गया false. So ये तो आंसर नहीं है. Periblem forms a cortex of the stem and the root. Yes, it is correct. Periblem forms the cortex of the stem as well as the root. Tracheiid is the chief water transporting element in the gymnosperm. Yes, ये भी correct है. So 2 is also correct. 3 is also correct. यहाँ से ही only you can get it. This is the answer. 2 and 3 है. But चलो let us go forward. Companion cell is devoid of the nucleus at maturity. No, it is false. It is not companion cell, students. It is actually sieve tube or sieve cells which is devoid of the nucleus. So ये तो false हो गया. And number 5 is also once again correct. So the answer is D. You can get it. So for question number 8, answer is D. You will mark it. Okay. So चलो जल्दी से जाते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. Which plant hormone will promote seed or bud dormancy and causes stomatal closure? यहाँ पे आंसर छुपा हुआ है. Here only you are getting it. Stomatal closure. Only one hormone is there, and that is abscisic acid, which is also a anti-transparent. Note it down. Anti-transparent. That means they will do the closing of the stomata. So the answer is B here. Answer is B here. We are moving forward to the next one. एक और आंसर करते हैं. Which of the following division of the fungi include club fungi? Very important. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन तुमको करना है. इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आएगा. That which is club fungi, which is sac fungi, which is fungi imperfecti. So club fungi, students check करो. This belong to the group or this actually are the Basidiomycota or Basidiomyceta. So the answer is D here. So हम लोगों ने बहुत जल्दी in very less amount of time we have done 10 questions. I will be coming very soon once again to meet with you, where I will be doing in a very small session 10 questions, so that we can complete all 500 questions and develop a good concept for the whole thing. Okay, so take care student. I will be soon back with you and doing some more questions. Chalo, I'm ending the class for the time being.